Hello and welcome back to Economist Only. Today we are going to discuss about some of the important MCQs of economics. Here the question number first is given. It is from demand and supply. Question number first is, what do you mean by supply of goods? The options are given here. Option A is stock available for sale. Option B, total stock in warehouse. Option C, the actual production of goods. And option D, the quantity of goods offered for sale at a particular price per unit of time. So we knew that supply of goods basically is associated with the quantity of goods offered for sale at particular price per unit of time. So option D will be the right answer. Question number 2 is given here. What do you mean by under condition of a perfect competition in the product market? That means in product market, what is the criteria of perfect competition? So here 4 options given. Option A, marginal revenue product is equal to value of marginal product. Option B, marginal revenue product is greater than value of marginal product. Option C, value of marginal product is greater than value of marginal revenue product. So here a perfect competition basically demonstrate that everything in perfect competition is basically equals. For remembering this concept, you can always associate this thing that in perfect competition, in long run, value of marginal revenue product and value of marginal product is always equals to each other. So here option A is the right answer. Question number 3 is given here, which of the following is the relation that the law of demand defines? That means what does the law of demand defines? Option number A is income and price of commodity. That means as the income increases or price increases, what will be the impact on the demand for commodity? And second is price and quantity of a commodity. That means the price and quantity of a commodity is associated. That means the higher the prices, the lower the demand for commodity, and the lower the prices, then higher will be the demand for commodity. And third is income and quantity demanded. So that means there is a kind of association between income and quantity demanded. And fourth is option, that means option D is quantity demanded and quantity supplied. That means the basic demand and supply equilibrium. So here the right answer will be the price and quantity of commodity. We knew that the law of demand demonstrates that there is a negative relationship between the price and quantity of a commodity. That means the higher the prices, the lower the demand, and lower the price, the higher the demand will be. So here the right answer will be the option B. Question number 4 is given here. What do you mean by a mixed economy? Modern and traditional industries. Option A is modern and traditional industries. Option B is public and private sector. Option C is foreign and domestic investment. And option D is commercial and subsistence farming. So we know that mixed economy basically stands for an economy where the essence of capitalism and socialism both are existed. And and here the in the given options, given the 4 options, only second option fulfill that requirement. That means the public and private sectors, both sectors are existed in a mixed economy. And in Indian sense, we can say that India has adopted a mixed market based mixed economy. So basically the Indian economy is oriented towards market, and it has also some kind of essence of socialism and capitalism. So here option B will be the right answer. Question number 5 is given here. What do you mean by a demand of a commodity? So option A is desire for the commodity, option B is need for the commodity, option C is quantity demanded of that commodity, and option D is quantity that consumers are able and willing to buy at various prices during any particular period of time. So for fulfillment of demand, there are two things, that the desire and ability. That means you desire something to have, and you have that ability to purchase that. So here all three options, from beginning, all three options A, B, C do not fulfill that criteria, and option D fulfills it, that quantity that consumers are able and willing to buy. That means the consumers are able and willing to buy. That means they are able to purchase that and they are willing to have it at various prices during any particular period of time. The time period is given. So here this is also important, that the other thing remaining the same. So here the time factor is given here. So option D will be the right answer. Sixth question is given here. Starting from the time of independence, why did India follows a planned economy? That means since independence, why did India adopted a planned economy? Option A is India followed a 5-year plan and required an outlook. And option B is directive principle of Indian Constitution indicated that planned vision of India. Option third is there was no indication whatsoever from the 5-year plans regarding how much of each and every good and services is to be produced. So by our experiences, we know that we live in India, and we know that how the economy evolved from a very from agriculture economy to service sector based economy. So here you might think that all three options are correct, but option 1 is not correct. India followed a 5-year plan and required an outlook. It is correct though, but from the question point of view, it is not correct, and only second and third options are right here. Our seventh question is, what do you mean by gross national product? So option A is the total value of goods and services produced in the economy. Option B is total value of all transaction in the country. Option C is the depreciation in the total value of goods and services produced in the country. And option D is the total value of goods and services produced in the country. And the net factor income from abroad. So the gross national product stands for the total goods and services that is produced in the country, and plus X minus M, that means export minus import. So C plus I plus G, that means consumption plus investment plus government expenditure, plus X minus M, that means export minus import. So option D would be the right answer here. And the total value of goods and services produced in the country and the net factor income from abroad. So certainly the option D will be the right answer. Question number 8 is, which of the following is the reason for the decline in the child sex ratio in India? So option A is a low fertility rate, and option B is female feticide, and option C is incentives for a boy child from the government, and option D is none of the above. So here the correct answer will be the option B, female feticide. Question number 9 is given here. What factors are taken into consideration while revising the poverty line periodically? So option A is by conducting a survey every 5 years. Option B, survey carried out by National Sample Survey Organization, and option C, both A and B. So for poverty line, for the measurement of poverty in country, especially in India, we used to conduct survey usually in 5 years, and surveys are carried out by National Sample Survey Organization. This is also correct. The National Sample Survey Organization is a body which look after the surveys regarding the poverty, and so many other things are also included in that. So option C, that means both A and B are correct answer. Question number 10 is given here. In India, which bank / institution have the highest share in the disbursement of credit to agriculture and allied activities. Option A is cooperative banks, option B is regional rural banks, option C is commercial bank, and option D is microfinance institution. So cooperative banks, you might have some knowledge about cooperative banks and regional rural banks, and you may also know about commercial bank. Certainly you must be you must have some kind of knowledge regarding this kind of bank, like commercial banks. We have so many commercial banks in our areas, like Punjab National Banks, State Bank of India, and many other banks. They might work in public and private both sector. And option D is microfinance institution. Microfinance institution, like there are several companies which are working for microfinance as microfinance institution, like Birla and companies like this, like they distribute loans or fund for micro and small businesses, and they used to charge a higher rate of interest. So microfinance institutions are these institutions. So here the largest disbursements take place in India is by commercial banks. That means such banks, like you may know some banks like Punjab National Bank and state banks. So these are commercial banks, and it has the largest amount of disbursement credit to agriculture and allied activities. I hope you guys might have find this video useful. So if you do find it useful, then yeah, obviously you know that what you have to do with this video.